Welcome dear students. Chapter 3 Parts of a Computer. This is the new chapter we are going to discuss. Chapter 3 Parts of a Computer. In this chapter we are going to discuss the major parts of a computer. Just look here. Your body has many parts like eyes, ears, brain, mouth. Like the same way, a computer also has many parts. നമ്മുടെ ശരീരത്തിൽ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട അവയവങ്ങളാണ് പാർട്സുകളാണ് ഐസ്, ഇയേഴ്സ്, ബ്രെയിൻ, മൗത്ത്. Like the same way, there are some major parts to a computer. Majorly, there are 4 main parts of computer. How many parts of a computer? How many major parts of a computer? There are mainly 4 major parts. First one, monitor. Second one, keyboard. Third one, mouse. And the fourth one, CPU. So, the major parts of computer we can term as monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. So, which is the monitor? Yes, this is the monitor. Which is the keyboard? We know that this is the keyboard. And what is this? This is the CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of computer. Almost all the functions are controlling in this box. That is the CPU. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട എല്ലാ പ്രോസസ്സും നടക്കുന്നത് ഈ ബോക്സിനകത്താണ്. ഇതിനുള്ളിലാണ് ഹാർഡ് ഡിസ്ക്, മദർ ബോർഡ് തുടങ്ങിയ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഇതിനകത്താണുള്ളത്. So this is CPU, Central Processing Unit. And the last one, this is mouse. So these are the major 4 parts of a computer. So we can discuss in detail about the first part, monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It shows what the computer is doing for you. You can watch movies and cartoons like Tom and Jerry, Spider-Man on it. A monitor is also known as VDU. VDU means Visual Display Unit. So what is about monitor? It looks like a television screen. Second, it shows what the computer is doing for us. We can see what is the things are going on that television screen. And also we can watch movies, cartoons on the screen. That is called monitor. So a monitor is like a television screen. It shows us what is doing, and also we can watch movies and cartoons. Monitor is also known as VDU. VDU means Visual Display Unit. Then the second part, that is keyboard. Everybody familiar about the keyboard? What is the peculiarity of keyboard? A keyboard has many small buttons called keys. What is in the keyboard? There are so many keys. ഒരുപാട് ബട്ടണുകളുണ്ട് കീബോർഡിനകത്ത്, ചെറിയ ചെറിയ ബട്ടണുകൾ. എ കീബോർഡ് ഹാസ് മെനി സ്മാൾ ബട്ടൺസ് കാൾഡ് കീസ്. There are many types of keys on the keyboard. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. കീബോർഡിനകത്ത് വ്യത്യസ്ത തരത്തിലുള്ള കീകളുണ്ട്. സ്പേസ് ബാർ, എൻ്റർ കീ, ബാക്ക് സ്പേസ് കീ, ഡിലീറ്റ്, നമ്പർ കീസ്, ടാബ്, ക്യാപ്സ് ലോക്ക്, ഷിഫ്റ്റ്, കൺട്രോൾ. So these type of various keys are there. By pressing these keys, you can type alphabets, numbers and symbols. So by pressing these type of various keys, what we can enter into the computer? We can type alphabets, numbers and symbols. So what is in the keyboard? There are so many small keys. And there are many types of keys are there. And also we can enter We can type alphabets, numbers and symbols. So this is the second part of the computer, keyboard. Now, total how many keys in a normal keyboard? How many keys are there in a normal keyboard? There are 104. 104, 104. There are 104 keys are on a normal keyboard. Then the third part, that is mouse. What is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. നമുക്ക് സ്ക്രീനിൽ എവിടെയാണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട ഐക്കണുകൾ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻസ് എന്നൊക്കെ പോയിന്റ് ചെയ്ത് എടുക്കാനുള്ളതാണ് മൗസ്. എ മൗസ് ഈസ് എ പോയിന്റിംഗ് ഡിവൈസ്. എ മൗസ് ഹാസ് 2 or 3 buttons on it. A normal mouse has 2. Some of the other mouses are 3 buttons. ഒരു മൗസിൽ സാധാരണയായി 2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3 ബട്ടണുകളാണ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുക. We can draw pictures, play games using a mouse. By pointing the mouse, by holding the mouse, we can draw pictures, play games. It looks like a real mouse. That is why it is called a mouse. This is the third part of a computer, mouse. Now this is the major part of a computer, that is CPU. CPU means, what is the expansion of CPU? Full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit, CPU. What is CPU? It is also called the brain of a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is present inside the CPU box. It is the brain of the computer. It helps the computer to do different things. So what is CPU? It is a Central Processing Unit and it is the brain of computer, and also it helps the computer to do various things, various tasks, various functions. That is CPU. Then there are some other parts to the computer. Majorly there are 4 parts. Besides this, there are some other parts of a computer. പ്രധാനമായും കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന് 4 പാർട്ടുകളാണുള്ളത്: കീബോർഡ്, മൗസ്, മോണിറ്റർ, CPU. ഇനി ഇതിന് പുറമെ ധാരാളം വ്യത്യസ്തങ്ങളായിട്ടുള്ള മറ്റു ഡിവൈസുകളും കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിനായിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. That is called the other parts of a computer. Which are the major other parts of a computer? The first one is printer. For what purpose we are using printer? It is used to take printouts on papers. Whatever the things shown on screen, that we can take printout. That is printer, to take printouts on papers. The another parts of a computer, that is speaker. For what is the use of speaker? It is used to hear sounds and music stored in the computer memory. To hear, to listen the music and sounds. That is, we are using speaker. Then another part of a computer is called scanner. What is scanner? It scans and records data and stores it into the computer memory. നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ള ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡോക്യുമെൻറ്റ്സ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലേക്ക് നേരിട്ട് ഫോട്ടോ ആയി കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലേക്ക് സേവ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് സ്കാനർ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. സ്കാനർ, ഇറ്റ് സ്കാൻ and records data and stores it in the computer memory. ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലേക്ക് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യാനാണ് സ്കാനർ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ് സ്കാൻ ആൻഡ് റെക്കോർഡ് ഡാറ്റ. Then CDs and pen drives. This is also the other parts of a computer. These storage devices can store data and transfer data into another computer. This is a storage device. CDs and pen drives are storage devices. It can store data and also transfer data into another computer. From one computer to another computer we can transfer data, and this is a storage device. It can store data. What is the major function of CDs and pen drive? It can store data and also transfer data into another computer. Then the last one, this is headphones. This is headphones. It helps us to hear sounds and music without disturbing others. So speaker, it sound everyone can hear. But by using headphone, it helps us to hear sounds and music without disturbing others. Headphone ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് മാത്രമേ സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. എന്നാൽ സ്പീക്കർ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ പരിസരത്തുള്ള ആളുകൾക്കെല്ലാം സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കാം. So headphones, it helps us to hear sounds and music without disturbing others. So first, the other parts of computer: printer, second speaker, scanner, CDs and pen drives, and the last one, headphones. So now what we discussed in this chapter, let us summarize. The main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. These are the major parts of a computer. Monitor shows what a computer doing for you. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന് നമുക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരുന്നതാണ് മോണിറ്റർ. മോണിറ്റർ ഷോസ് വാട്ട് എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ഡൂയിങ് ഫോർ യു. We can type alphabets or numbers by using a keyboard. A mouse is a pointing device that helps to draw pictures and playing games. CPU is called the brain of the computer. So these are the major points we discussed in this chapter. So you want to watch this video many times and want to learn these major points. Okay. Now the exercise part. The exercise part, I think you know that answer. Which is this first one? Correct spelling you want to tell. What is this? I think you know that. Yes. This is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Then which is the second one? This one. Which is this? Say the answer. Yes. This is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Then which is this one last? The third one, this is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Then which is the last one? Yes, very easy. That is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Okay. What is the question? Write the name of the missing parts in the box below the picture. ഈ താഴെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന പിക്ചറിൽ മിസ്സായിട്ടുള്ള കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ മേജർ പാർട്സുകളിൽ ഏതോ ഒരെണ്ണം മിസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ഏതാണെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. So look this one, the first picture. Which is the missing parts of a computer in this? You got the answer? Yes, monitor is here, CPU is here, mouse is here. So keyboard is missing here. So the answer is keyboard. So now in this second picture, which is the missing parts of a computer here? Here monitor is here, keyboard is here, mouse is here. So the answer is yes, CPU is missing. Now here in the third picture, which is the missing parts? Monitor is here, CPU is here, and keyboard also here. So the answer is yes, mouse is missing. Now here in the last picture, fourth, which one is the major missing parts of a computer? CPU, mouse, keyboard is here. So the answer is yes, monitor is missing. So this one you want to write in your notebook. Write true or false. By writing the chapter name at the top, you want to write this one into your notebook. Which is the question? A monitor looks like a television screen. A monitor looks like a television screen. True or false? I think you got the answer. Yes, it is true. You can watch stories on the CPU. You can watch stories on the CPU. Is it true or false? Can we watch stories on the CPU? No, it is false. A keyboard has 105 keys. Is it true? No, 104 keys is the answer. We can draw pictures using a mouse. By using a mouse, we can draw pictures. Whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. So you may write this very neatly into your notebook. This also you want to write in your notebook. Tick the right answer. There are options are there, which is the correct answer. You want to put the tick mark. So the question is, a dash is called a visual display unit, VDU. Which one is called a visual display unit? Monitor, keyboard, mouse. Which is the answer? Yes. Monitor is called visual display unit. Now the second question, CPU is called the dash of a computer. What we can call CPU? Eye, brain, mouth. I think you got the answer. Yes, brain. CPU is called the brain of a computer. Now we can type alphabet or numbers using the dash. By using which device, which part we can type alphabet or numbers? Keyboard, CPU, CD. I think it is easily you identified the answer. Yes, keyboard is the answer. By using keyboard, we can type alphabet or numbers. So clear. This also you want to write in your notebook. Answer in one word. How many keys are there in a keyboard? How many keys are there in a keyboard? Very easy. There are 104 keys. Answer is 104. Second question. Which part of a computer help us to play games? Which part we can use to play games? Yes, mouse. By using mouse we can play games. So this also you may write in your notebook. So choose the best answer. Which type of machine is a computer? Which type of machine is a computer? Man-made, electronic, or both A and B? Computer is a man-made and electronic machine. This is the correct answer. Now, identify the picture given here. Which is this picture? Whether it is a mouse or keyboard or CPU. Answer is very simple. It is a mouse. This you no need to write in your notebook. So computer is a man-made and electronic machine. Now, which of these is not a machine? Among these three images, which of these is not a machine? Answer is yes. This is apple. This is not a machine. This and these are machines. Now fourth question, which among the following is a feature of a computer? Which among the following is a feature of a computer? താഴെ പറയുന്നതിൽ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന് പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത ഏതാണ്? Work fast, makes mistakes, gets tired. So I think you got the answer. Yes, computer, it work fast. It never make mistake. It never gets tired. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന് തെറ്റുകളൊന്നും പറ്റില്ല. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ടയേർഡ് ആവില്ല. It works fast. How many keys are there in a keyboard? Simple. There are 104 keys in a normal keyboard. So this no need to write in your notebook. Now this you want to write in your notebook. True or false? A computer is a machine which works on fuel. Is it true? കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ഫ്യൂവൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണോ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? പെട്രോളും ഡീസലൊക്കെ പോലെയുള്ള ഫ്യൂവലൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണോ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? No, it is false. False. CPU is called the brain of the computer. Answer is true. Printers are used to take printouts on a paper. Answer is again true. A monitor looks like a television. Again answer is true. Mouse is used to type alphabets and numbers. Whether we are using mouse to type alphabets and numbers? No, it is false. So this you may write in your notebook. Now this is the way you can also draw the image of a CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse, and you can color in your notebook. And also you can write the name of the parts, label the parts of the computer. So you may simply draw an image like this and color it on your notebook and can write which is this one, which is this one. Yes, monitor. Then the second one, this is mouse, and this is keyboard, and the last one this CPU. So you may draw an image like this very simply and color it, and also write the name of the parts. This also you want to write in your notebook. Answer in one word. Who is known as the father of the computer? Who is known as the father of the computer? Yes, it is Charles Babbage. Charles, Charles Babbage. B-A-B-B. Double B is there. There is a mistake. So double B is there. B-A-B-B-A-G-E. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Then second question, mention any two places where the computers are used. Computers are using in many places. So we can write any two. So in school we are using, and in bank we are using, in hospital we are using, in shops we are using, everywhere we are using computer. So any two we can write here. Third question, name some other parts of a computer. Other parts means not the major parts. Printer, scanner, speaker, CD, pen drive, like that. So these are the major other parts of a computer. So this you may write in your notebook. This also you may write in your notebook. Write the expansion. Expand the following. The full form of CPU. What is CPU? It is Central Processing Unit. Then the next one, VDU. What is VDU? It is Visual Display Unit. Monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit. That is VDU. So these are the things only in this chapter. So you may watch this video many times and study these things, and also the notes will be in the Google Classroom, and also this video also will be in the Google Classroom. So you may learn this and also write the notes. So okay, thank you.